92.7 and 96.9 WRLD. I'm Simon. It's a big chunk of music. Friday here, of course. A boatload of snow in the area today. We'll have another look at your forecast in a couple minutes. See what's showing out at the latest. And Monday, WRLD's Valentine's redo as Music All Morning. Next just 12 back in Big Picture Orlando. So you shine down 3 days straight. And EOD. Brought to you by RCA Records. Straight ahead, music from Imagine Dragons. There's Linkin Park to the next. Even the snow today. WRLD in that movie on hiatus for Monday. Gilmore from 92.7 and 96.9 WRLD. Nothing but your request. And we can make those requests at WRLD.com. Or send a request to the official WRLD Takeover Twitter and Facebook pages. WRLD Takeover is brought to you by Nuts 39 Walking Years. Online at mutestore.com. This broadcast is the Hudson Valley Light and Mining Fuel. Honest supply of wood-based fuel. It's common to face high energy bills and winter to beneficial performance like windows or heating equipment. We can't always use a pinpoint without a temperature subscription, but here are 2 specific functions to do today. Turn down the temperature on your water heater to 120 degrees and replace bulbs in your highest usage lights with CFL. This winter's fuel survival kit has been brought to you by Renewal by Anderson of the Hudson Valley. Hello, this is Eric Mikowitz, president of your exclusive local dealer for Anderson Replacement Windows. Winter is the perfect time to replace your old windows with beautiful, energy-efficient Anderson windows installed in as little as 1 day. Our winter installation method will keep your home warm, clean, and dry. You can save $500 on your entire purchase, plus get no interest financing until 2015. Call 1-800-227-2025 for a free, no-pressure quote for renewal all of Anderson windows. That's 1-800-227-2025. Call now. AM 1340 Raw Radio and AM 1390 WEOK is the Hudson Valley's true oldies channel. It is your home for Army sports. It's play-by-play action for Army football, men's and women's basketball, hockey, lacrosse, and baseball.
Now, SIM card
live on AM 1340 and AM 1390, the Hudson Valley's true oldies channel. Army sports broadcasts are brought to you by Ellsberg Lumber. Everything you need to build anything. 25 Laurel Avenue, South Falls, New York. More information on game times and how to get tickets. Log on to GoArmySports.com.
Never bet on a horse named Papa. Never go quick riding with a guy named Cliff. That's just one of the Cliffs. Never tell a zombie who looks like death warmed over. And never trust a car that hasn't been trusted to Midas. Save on brakes, maintenance, and total car care. For a car you can depend on long after the warranty expires. You deserve your Midas touch. Get a comprehensive oil change, tire rotation, and visual brake check for $19.99. Up to 5 quits conventional oil. Shop fees extra. Most vehicles at participating Midas.
Culinarily delicious, deliciously affordable. Maximum free fix dinner menu at Mahoney's Irish Pub and Steakhouse. Available Monday through Thursday night. Only $19.95. You can feast on super salad, a choice of entree and dessert. Check out Mahoney's $6 lunch special. Join me, Simon, every Thursday from 10 to midnight for Mahoney's second annual graduation sign-up party, where the winner will get $1,000 for the graduation party at Mahoney's.
Dude, coming out some mac and cheese. I made a whole box.
Main Street, Poughkeepsie. Online at
Come on, buddy.
Mahoney'sPub.com.
Jude! Jude! I made a whole box. Come and have some. Alright. Good. Kisses last night. I was like, oh, go for a kiss. And then I just like, yeah. Sure, 1 minute.